Hello and welcome to our video on swing trading. In today's video, we're going to explore the art of riding market trends and how you can use swing trading to take advantage of these trends. First, let's define what swing trading is. Swing trading is a trading strategy that aims to capture short to medium-term gains in a stock or other financial instrument. Swing traders typically hold a position for a few days to a few weeks, aiming to profit from price movements caused by market trends. To be successful at swing trading, you need to have a solid understanding of technical analysis. Technical analysis is the study of past market data, primarily price and volume, to identify patterns and make predictions about future price movements. One of the key concepts in swing trading is the use of support and resistance levels. Support levels are prices at which buyers have historically entered the market and prevented prices from falling further. Resistance levels are prices at which sellers have historically entered the market and prevented prices from rising further. As a swing trader, you're looking to buy at support levels and sell at resistance levels, taking advantage of the market's natural ebb and flow. Another key concept in swing trading is the use of stop-loss orders. Stop-loss orders are orders placed with your broker to sell a security if it reaches a certain price, protecting you from further losses. Now, let's talk about the benefits of swing trading. One of the primary benefits is that it allows you to take advantage of short-term market trends without having to commit to long-term positions. This means you can make money in both up and down markets. Additionally, swing trading can be less stressful than day trading because you're not constantly monitoring the markets throughout the day. You can set your trades and let them run their course. And now for the bonus point. One of the keys to successful swing trading is having a solid understanding of risk management. You should always be aware of your risk tolerance and make sure you're not overexposing yourself to any one trade. That's it for our video on swing trading. We hope you've learned something new today and feel more confident about taking advantage of market trends. Thanks for watching.